Okay, here's a quick room tour of room 411 here at the Raddison Hotel near Sky Harbor Airport in Phoenix, Arizona. The rooms have been renovated, so you can see the nice modern amenities here in the bathroom, including the big shower tub refit that they did. And they've got everything you need here in the bathroom, including plenty of toilet paper. Then as we come into the room, immediately on the right is a nice spacious closet with iron and ironing board. And then a big mirror on the left. And also on the left is a decent sized TV, not huge, a bench. And then just beyond that is a nice big workspace for your computers and electronics desk. And then a small coffee station, very minimal amount of coffee and tea, ice bucket, and a very tiny little fridge. The fridge is a smart fridge, so it does work really well. And then, I got to show this view out the window because we just filmed and posted a video of sunset just a few minutes ago. I'm sorry, sunrise. You can see some of the mountains off in the distance in North Phoenix. Another lounge chair over in the corner, and the end tables at the desk with plenty of charging. And then a big, spacious king-size bed, which was very comfortable. Very soft and comfortable king-size bed. So that's it for the room tour here at the Raddison. I hope you enjoy your stay here.